Hey everybody, Matthew here at Earthworks once again with one of my favorite little friends. This is the Sansaveria whale fin. We had a hard time getting these. We finally have them in and we have a bunch of different sizes. They are one of the easiest plants in the world to grow. If you have never grown a Sansaveria, you can literally take one, put in a closet for a month, come back and check on it and it'll look exactly the same. There's another rule of thumb. If you are watering your Sansaverias more often than you pay rent or your mortgage, you're watering them too much. Once a month is fine. I have even gone longer between waterings. 4 to 6 weeks, water them, soak them really well, let them dry out. Most of them like lower light to shade, but indoors they can take a lot of bright light as well. So you can stick them in windowsills or areas where they're gonna get a whole lot of sunshine indoors. But if you're gonna keep them outside, make sure they're getting filtered light to shade, keeping them dry in between waterings. The whale fins are really distinct as they grow. The foliage gets really wide and in a big oval kind of shape, as opposed to long and skinny like most of the other Sansaverias. It makes them very distinct. Come check them out. They're here at Earthworks and they are the plant of the week. And don't forget, check us out on all of our social media, our Facebook, our YouTube, and on our Instagram for more gardening tips and tricks to keep you growing all year round. See you guys next time.